I warned you. Last week, I told you the $5,018 level was a ticking time bomb. Today, that bomb exploded. Gold has just hit its worst losing streak in over 40 years, crashing down to the $4,300 range. While retail traders were buying the dip at $5,000, the smart money was setting a trap. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Wall Street used the Iran conflict and the oil surge to flush out weak hands. And I'll reveal the 3 critical levels where the real bottom is actually hiding. Don't place another trade until you see this. The liquidity flush is the ultimate trap. Banks needed buyers to sell their massive positions, so they used the 5,018 on support to trick people into buying. Then we have the Iran paradox. Usually, war makes gold go up, but the Iran conflict caused oil to hit over $108. This spiked inflation. Higher inflation leads to higher Fed rates, and higher rates are death for gold prices. Look at the US dollar index. The dollar is currently at 99.38. As long as the dollar is king, gold will bleed. We are currently testing the $4,328 support level. Here is my prediction for the coming days. First, immediate support is at 4,113. Second, the major buy zone is at 4,150. And the new resistance is at $4,206. Tell them not to buy until a bullish engulfing candle appears on the 4H chart. The 2026 wealth transfer is happening. Subscribe to Finance Investor Lab so you don't stay exit liquidity. Comment levels if you want my daily breakdown. Stay sharp out there.